is Bianca Hughes, and I just wanted to share some things with you just about the authentic marketing workshop. I've had a few people ask me some questions, and so I just thought I would share them here with you. The reason why I'm doing this workshop is about 4 years ago, I started in private practice, actually, when I came out of grad school. And I knew that I had to do marketing, but at that time I was just relying on my psychology today. But I knew there was more I needed to do if I wanted to connect with our therapists and also just get the word out there about what I was doing. I dreaded it. I didn't want to appear salesy. I felt like an imposter, especially as a APC. Like, I don't have all these people to refer. I really got scared. And so I actually didn't do marketing for 2 years. Fast forward to today, I am loving marketing, loving connecting with people. Of course, there's parts I still don't like, but one of the things I have found is really helping me is changing my mindset. And those are some of the things that we're going to do in this workshop. So we're going to change our mindset around marketing. We're going to look at some of our fears and some of our concerns and kind of work through those things that are kind of holding us back. So if you feel like you're an imposter, you're procrastinating over your marketing, or perhaps even you are feeling like you're too salesy or you're not sure how you even want to market, this is for you. You've tried it and it's not working. This is for you, so you can get some support from some other therapists and get some other input as well. And the other thing that we're also going to be doing, as well as having the support and the mindset work, is also looking at the tasks that you actually have to do and getting you started on them in the session. I think it's great that I can share all this information and we can talk, but I also find that when we start to put things into action, it gets things going. So we won't just you won't just sit there and talk and then leave and then do nothing. We'll actually begin that process so that you can actually continue after the workshop as well. And so also we're going to be looking at some of those things where you might feel like you're selling yourself, but we're looking at the service you provide, the impact that you have, and also your skills as a therapist rather than you, the person. And that's definitely a mindset shift. So we're going to be moving from that, oh my God, I'm too salesy, I got to sell myself, into that place where we can find a way to market that is authentic to who we are as a person, to our values, and what we are most comfortable with. So I look forward to having you and seeing you. If you have any questions, please email me, Bianca@biancahughes.com.